road. So we were able to mobilize the company, and they are already on site. And as you can see, we hope to have the road motorable within the next 48 hours. Hopefully by evening, if the rains hold, we'll be able to have filled this crack, and maybe a few of light vehicles can be passing by evening. But again, that depends on weather. This, as you can see, it stretches about 3 or so kilometers upstream and another 200 meters down this way. So, and this is something that now, maybe when we go back to the office, we'll now sit and relook at the whole of this area with a view to finding a lasting solution, because we can't afford to be having these interruptions whenever there is a rain. The normal causes of rain, but it's like there was a shift, and now which caused the road to crack. And this happened about 2012 again, around nearly the same spot. So there seems to be a weakness in this area, which causes this kind, and it normally is exacerbated by the rains.